Oof, this is good. This is good. No, you really have to try some. Today we're making a vitality boost drink. We have beets, we have carrots, we have apples, and we have oranges. I'm doing a challenge, so I'm gonna drink 3 cups of this every day for 30 days and see if I see any changes in my body. So there's a lot of healthy benefits here. So let's go. I was at work last week, right? And I saw this video that spoke about the benefits of drinking beets juice straight for a month. So I have free will, so let's do it. This concoction has natural energy boosting properties where you don't crash like when you have caffeine. It's packed with antioxidants. That's just a fancy way to say it fights the bad cells in your body and protects the good ones. Also, it's good for your gut health, your immune system, and it's an anti-inflammatory. So a lot is going on to support the overall well-being of your body. This piqued my interest a bit. For me, when it comes to information on the internet, I trust but verify. So I dove down a rabbit hole and learned so much unnecessary fun facts, and I'm gonna share them with you. My whole personality is basically just trying things that look interesting. If I see something I like, I try it. Like, why not, right? Because it's important to actually live your life instead of just watching people live their lives online. If you see something that's cool, try it. What's the worst that could happen? You gain a new expensive hobby? Okay, so back to the juice. On top of all the benefits I listed before, there's also more that are specific to both men and women. For example, for men, this juice supports heart health. Basically, it helps to lower blood pressure and improves blood circulation. It enhances liver functions, aiding in the body's natural detoxification process, and it actually increases natural stamina. I'm not even gonna explain that one because I gotta keep it PG, but fellas, you know what I'm talking about. Now for my ladies, this juice improves circulation, enhances iron absorption, combats fatigue, and reduces discomfort. Now you may be wondering, why is this important? Well, for me, my girlfriend is always cold, and sometimes she has these painful and uncomfortable periods. And through friends and family, I've learned that this is not unique. It seems as though a lot of women suffer from this. So this juice is said to help to alleviate those symptoms. We'll test it out so you don't have to, because like I said, trust but verify. All in all, not to sound like I'm lecturing you, right? But this juice is solid on all ends. We're gonna be drinking this for 30 days straight, and we'll see what happens. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you can follow us on this 30-day challenge. And stay tuned for the results. Hope to see you on the next one.